Bianca. Welcome to my channel. Yes, I look a little different. Yes, my hair's so greasy. Yes, I'm so annoyed right now because my iMovie won't turn on and I just finished editing tomorrow's video. But now this video is like the future, so like that might not make sense. So my face looks really bad. I have like, I don't know what's going on, so I put these on. They're not glasses. They won't protect my eyes. Do I have any more complaints today? I'm gonna try on a costume to make myself feel better. I wanted to show you guys an Edward Scissorhands look for Halloween. I was Edward Scissorhands a few years ago and I did it one way, like a very specific character way, and I also want to do it another way. So I want to show you guys that look, and also I want to show you guys a new look. Here's a picture of the Edward Scissorhands looks that I did a few years back, like probably a long few years back. I had my black hair, my bangs. It was super easy to do Edward Scissorhands. My hair looked like his every single day. If you guys like this video at any point, please give me a like, subscribe down below, and follow me over on Instagram. And let's just get into becoming Edward Scissorhands. All I did was literally fill in my eyebrows, but I feel like if you're actually gonna go out and wear this to like a club or like try to be cute, maybe do your makeup a little better than me. I'm literally just making it so I look the most like him as possible instead of like, I'm cute and girly. We're just gonna put on like this color lip, and then I might put like a little scars on my face, but it might look totally botched, so I might take it off, but we'll see how it goes. Okay, let's put this on. I either look like I have chicken pox or it's believable. I beats me. Obviously the scarring looked way better when I did it a few years ago, when I actually had a friend that like helped me do it. But let me just show you guys the costumes. I'm gonna show you the first one, which is like the more like manlier, more character realistic version, and I'll show you that right now. Guys don't want to wear pants and you want to wear a skirt, here's what the costume will look like with a skirt. I really just wanted to make this video to show you guys that you can still DIY a costume without fully DIYing it, especially because if you go out and buy the Edward Scissorhands costume on itself, it's probably, I think it's like 50 or 60 bucks, and it's not really realistic. The quality is really bad. Everyone has a black tank top laying around. Go glue some studs on it, buy the gloves. You can buy the felt gloves, they're way cheaper. You have a choker or a belt that I used here. Don't go and do that. But I did that. Your skirt, your shoes, anything, you guys probably have stuff laying around, and go make the best of it. I need to put my hair up, this is so annoying. Or I need a haircut from Edward himself. Without any further ado, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and follow me over on Instagram, and I'll see you guys tomorrow in the next Vlogoween. Bye!